What if your property could sell in days, not weeks, not months? This rune formula will help you accelerate the sale of your property. Watch till the end of the video to learn how to use it. This rune formula consists out of 5 runes. The first rune is the rune Dagas. Rune Dagas represents a significant positive transformation, so if you were unable to sell your property for a long time, the positive transformation will allow it to happen. The next rune is the rune Otala. It represents the property itself. The rune Urus is a rune of a manifestation, rune of physical manifestation and material presence. It also points to the property itself. The next rune is the rune Fehu, rune of wealth, rune of money, rune of dynamic energy. It represents that the financial energy is attracted towards this process. And the final rune is the rune Otala again. This rune Otala represents the finalized sale of a property and that you have received an appropriate compensation for your property. An appropriate incantation for this rune formula could sound like this: by the power of these runes, my property will be sold as fast as possible, so be it. Download my free runes PDF file with rune meanings, rune formulas and rune spreads. The link is in description or on my profile page. Now, how do you activate the rune formula? Draw the runes on a piece of paper, then take a candle in a candle holder, put it on top of your paper, say your incantation, and then light the candle. Let the candle burn down completely. After that, the amulet is activated and ready. For more detailed instructions, get my Rune Magic Quick Start course. It's a short, value-packed video course that will answer all your questions and enable you to start doing rune magic today.